Can you believe it? July is over now. Only 5 months are left in this year. Now let me ask you one question. If nothing changes, where will your English be on December 31st? Will you still be saying, I will start tomorrow, I will start next Monday, I will start next month? Or will you finally take the first step today? This video isn't about making big promises. It's about making one small decision that your future self will thank you for. Stay with me until the end because I'll share a simple 5-month plan that anyone can follow. Hello everyone, welcome back to Saroj's English Journey. If you are new here, my name is Saroj. I am not an English teacher. I am someone who is also learning English step by step. Everything I share here comes from my own journey. Today, I don't want to teach English. I just want to have an honest conversation with you. Think about January. Many of us made plans. This year, I will improve my English. I will speak confidently. I will practice every day. But life became busy. Work, studies, family, responsibilities. And without realizing it, 7 months passed. The truth is, time never waits, whether we practice English or not. December will still arrive. The only difference is who will become better before it arrives. Many learners think they need hours every day, but that's not true. If you practice just 20 to 30 minutes daily, 5 months is enough to build a strong habit. Will you become perfect? Maybe not. Will you become much better than today? Absolutely. Imagine speaking just a little better every day. Imagine understanding more videos. Imagine feeling less nervous. Imagine introducing yourself confidently. That's real progress. I know this journey isn't easy. Some days you will feel motivated. Some days you won't. Some videos will inspire you. Some days you will feel stuck. That's normal. What matters is not being perfect. What matters is showing up. Even if you practice just for 15 minutes, you are moving forward. Remember, a small practice every day is much better than waiting for the perfect day. Today I want to invite you to join me. Let's use these last 5 months wisely. Let's practice together. Let's make mistakes together. Let's improve together. By the end of this year, maybe we won't be fluent, but we will definitely be better than we are today. And that's something to be proud of. If you are watching this video, make one promise to yourself. Don't wait for another year. Don't wait for another Monday. Start today. Your future English depends on the small choices you make every day. 5 months from now, you will either say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I had started. The choice is yours. If you are joining this 5-month challenge, comment below, I'm starting today. I will be joining you too. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Let's make these last 5 months count. See you in the next video. Thank you.